In our pursuit of becoming rich, we often envision a life filled with boundless freedom and endless joy. We dream of a world where our desires can be fulfilled with a simple stroke of a pen or a click of a button. Striving for financial freedom is indeed a commendable goal. After all, money and prosperity can grant you the freedom to shape your days as you please and amplify the pleasures of life has to offer. But remember, if your aspiration is to achieve wealth and success, it is important to understand what lies ahead on your path to prevent disillusionment from dampening your dreams. In this video, we will unravel the eye-opening and uncomfortable truths about building wealth, equipping you with the realistic expectations so that your newfound wealth is as gratifying as you always imagined. You will receive different treatment. The moment you achieve financial success, you'll notice a stark change in the way people treat you as compared to those who are in similar financial situation or lack wealth. Some will make assumptions that you effortlessly stumbled upon your wealth, unaware of the struggles and sacrifices you endured to reach your current position. They might view you as materialistic or accuse you of unfair tactics, perpetuating misconceptions about your journey. Attaining wealth invites different treatment from others, often fueled by misconceptions, envy, or unrealistic expectations. On the other hand, there will be those who approach you with ulterior motives, hoping to benefit from your financial resources, either through covering expenses, showering gifts on special occasions, or becoming a personal bank for loans that may never be repaid. Despite your genuine generosity, even acts of kindness may be met with skepticism, as envy and preconceived notions taint perceptions. It's a reminder that wealth can bring not only admiration, but also unwarranted judgment and misunderstandings. It's natural to hope that friends and family will wholeheartedly celebrate one's financial progress. However, this is not always the case. As wealth accumulates, those you thought to be sincere friends may become envious and resentful. The sacrifices made, such as sleepless nights and long hours invested in a successful business venture, or opting for frugality and prudent financial decisions, can trigger envy in those who did not pursue such paths, even though they are presented with similar opportunities. Thus, it's important not to be caught off guard when coworkers, friends, and even family members begin to exhibit different behavior in response to your achievements. It is crucial to be prepared for these reactions, maintain genuine relationships with those who celebrate success, and develop resilience to accompany financial success. You will find it difficult to relate. As you progress through various stages of wealth, you may encounter increasing difficulty in relating to others due to a divergence in mindset. Not everyone shares the same aspirations and perspectives, which becomes more apparent as you place greater emphasis on personal growth. While many prioritize paying bills, pleasing their superiors, and maintaining a comfortable middle-class lifestyle, their focus often centers around immediate gratification. They may prioritize acquiring material possessions, such as a new car or a larger house, eagerly anticipating their annual vacation or planning weekend activities. In some cases, some perceive wealthy people as cheap, regardless of their generosity or philanthropic efforts. Similarly, on a smaller scale, declining invitations to spend money on unnecessary items or experiences may lead others to view them as stingy or excessively concerned with preserving their wealth. It becomes apparent that unless others share the same mindset of balancing immediate and future enjoyment while understanding the value of money, they may struggle to comprehend these choices and opinions. If your thoughts revolve around building a prosperous future for yourself and for your family, seeking financial freedom, and exploring avenues for additional income, it becomes challenging to connect those who are content with the status quo. It is important to note that there is no fault in individuals who embrace this perspective, as long as they are satisfied with remaining in the middle class. However, this discrepancy in mindset makes it challenging to establish a relatable connection. You will need to make sacrifices. In the pursuit of wealth, like any endeavor in life, there are inherent trade-offs. Those who strive to build wealth must make present sacrifices with the hope that they will yield future benefits. However, there are no guarantees that these sacrifices will ultimately pay off. It's possible that in the process, you may miss important milestones such as your children's lives or skip cherished family vacations to allocate funds towards investments, anticipating future rewards. Also, your well-being may suffer as stress, lack of rest, and unhealthy eating habits due to time constraints take a toll on your health. Determining whether these sacrifices are worth it is a subjective question that may never definitively be answered. While you hope that the future rewards will justify the sacrifices you made, those who fail to strike the right balance between investing for the future and enjoying the present may face regrets. They may wish that they had spent more quality time with their loved ones instead of being consumed by work. It's important to understand that investing for the future necessitates sacrificing something in the present, although the magnitude and lasting impact of these sacrifices may vary. For instance, you might have chosen to forego purchasing a new car or an item that held little personal significance. Finding the proper balance between investing for the future and embracing the present is the key to navigating the sacrifices that come with building wealth. It requires thoughtful consideration and self-reflection to determine which sacrifices are truly worthwhile. Each person's priorities and values differ, so align your decisions with what matters to you the most. Striving for a harmonious equilibrium allows you to invest in your future while cherishing the meaningful moments that make life fulfilling. Remember, it is a journey itself, with proper balancing, that shapes a rich and rewarding life. You will feel like you never had enough. Regardless of how much wealth you accumulate, it is not uncommon to never truly feel rich. This is a prevalent experience even among those who are considered wealthy. Look at extremely rich people who seem to be constantly working and striving for more money. While it is possible that they genuinely enjoy their work and the process of earning money, there is often a perpetual desire for more. No matter your annual income or bank account balance, the feeling of having enough remains elusive. It is important to recognize that reaching a specific financial milestone will not automatically make you feel rich and fulfilled. Believing otherwise is merely deceiving yourself. Furthermore, people often hold the misconception that attaining wealth will instantly bring boundless happiness. It is easy to imagine that winning the lottery, for instance, would result in perpetual joy. However, the truth is that if you were unhappy or discontented before, money alone will not change that. The core of your emotional well-being remains unchanged. While financial stability certainly offers advantages and improves your quality of life, true satisfaction derives from cherished memories and meaningful connections with your loved ones. The key is to have sufficient financial resources to maximize these experiences and prevent being trapped in a cycle of work and business that leaves little room for such moments. Your habits will lead you to where you are. Humans are creatures of habit, relying on automatic routines to conserve mental energy. Our lives are shaped by the habits we consistently engage in. Therefore, our level of success, or lack thereof, can be attributed to the habits we have cultivated. Consider this. Is it more likely to achieve financial freedom by dedicating 3 hours a day to mindlessly consuming TV and social media, or by investing that time in reading self-education books? Will watching your favorite sports team bring you closer to financial independence, or would building your own business be a more effective use of your time? Is spending nights drinking with friends contributing to your progress, or would building strong relationships with successful people in your industry lead to greater opportunities? To change your life, you must first change your habits. It involves eliminating unproductive habits that hinder your progress and incorporating new, beneficial ones into your daily routine. Take a moment to reflect on your current daily habits and identify those that are impeding with your journey towards financial freedom. Replace these habits with more advantageous ones, such as dedicating time to learning about personal finance, developing entrepreneurial skills, or networking with like-minded individuals. This shift in habits will serve as a foundation for your path towards financial independence and overall personal growth. Start by making these changes to build your wealth and create a life aligned with your aspirations. While being rich is undoubtedly a blessing and having wealth brings more advantages, it is important to acknowledge that it also comes with shares of downsides. Money can grant you the ability to acquire your dream home, spend quality time with your loved ones, and indulge in life's luxuries. However, understanding the realities of building wealth is essential for everyone's well-being and success. And that's it for the uncomfortable truth about building wealth. Thank you for watching. If you want to know more videos about achieving financial freedom, be sure to like this video and hit subscribe to get more valuable content. Stay financially aware.